Welcome to Factory 505. I love Andy Warhol's work, and alam ko yung tawag niya sa factory niya, Silver Factory. So doon ko nakuha yung factory. And then the unit number is 505. So pinagsama ko siya, Factory 505. Factory 505 started 2015. And this is an alternative art space wherein I would like to focus on abstract art, contemporary, and conceptual. It's located here in Ortigas area. As you can see, I painted my walls, my ceiling, my floors, even my furniture. Kasi I don't want to see any white walls. So this space is also a space wherein if you wanna cook, if you're a chef, you wanna cook, you can come here. Pagluto nyo kami, okay, ang gusto namin yan. If you're a painter, if you're an artist, you want to collaborate, we are game. If you're a video editor, you need a space, you can use this space. For visiting artists wherever, we have a room for you. And you can check down below. It's on Airbnb and it's called the Pineapple Room. Message us on our Instagram, factory.505, or comment on our YouTube channel, or email us at info.factory505@gmail.com. We have new videos for you every Thursday, so do subscribe here on our YouTube channel and see you next week. Bye!